Dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying the life with their sweet family and friends like me. I'm also good. I'm also perfect, alhamdulillah. Thanks of my Allah. So let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you very impressive and very attractive ideas and cutest ideas, short pixie hair cutting and hair styling ideas for ladies and girls. So keep watching my video and keep supporting my channel. It's all our fantastic and adorable ideas, beautiful short pixie. When you visit my channel, you can get many more ideas about beautiful short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, messy and spiky pixie also. It's a too much attractive and adorable ideas, beautiful short pixie. When you visit more and more my video, then you can easily get more and more ideas about beautiful short pixie. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's all our trendy and lovely hair cutting ideas about short pixie. Wow, it's fantastic and fabulous ideas. Beautiful short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, messy and spiky pixie also. It's all our amazing and fantastic ideas, beautiful, lovely hair cutting, short pixie. So don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. So guys, you can easily try and apply this all beautiful short pixie on your own hair because it's a trending fashion ideas, new and lovely hair cutting ideas, most demanding video, most demanding hair cutting and most applying hair cutting ideas. So guys, please, if you're watching first time my video, then I must suggest you must watch my video till the end. It's all our cutest and adorable elegant styles, short pixie. So please don't skip my video. Okay, now we have to go. Thanks for watching. See you again till the next video.